Okay, a very brief update of the magnetoculture experiment. The first video shows the methodology, the results up to that point, and a proposed mechanism for these effects, and a link is in the description below. So basically we lost both barrels of potatoes because of blight. Bit of a shame, but at least it proved the point again about using magnetic fields to increase crop yields, and what was harvested were only very small, but fine for lots of potato salads. The thing that I noticed before clearing the barrels out, and the reason for posting this video, was the difference in the amount of weeds between the two barrels. As you can see, there are far fewer in the magnetized barrel. This was unexpected, and more experiments need to be run to see if this happens again, but what it looks like at the moment is that using magnetic fields not only increases crop yields, but also reduces the number of weeds. Interesting. Obviously, I'll be doing more magnetoculture experiments when time and circumstances allow, so if you want to stay up to date, please subscribe to the channel.